Now Tagle, the dribble, number 31. Signaling to his teammate. He's looking for receiver. 10-second shot clock. Now on the drive, Albay fakes, fires, no good. Another follow-up is no good again. 10-second shot clock. It's a foul. 29. Substitution. Bangao out. Martinez out. First personal foul on Marquez. Second team foul. Albay out. Thrower. Basket. Substitution. Albay out. Evangelista in. Now De La Vega on the running drive. Fake look to Ison. Another follow-up by number 72. Another follow-up is no good. It's a foul. Tingnan yung foul, ha? Tagle, number 31. Third personal foul, Tagle. First team foul by the Patin. Tagle out. Ison out. Holo in. De La Vega on the quick throw. First try. Basket by De La Vega on the quick throw line territory. Second try by De La Vega. Basket again by De La Vega. 2 for 2 by De La Vega on the quick throw line territory. Basket. 65-57 in favor of Ansures blue team. Now Ramos pass to Alvarez, pump, it's no good. Pick up by number 17 to Holland. Now De La Vega on the dribble, pass to roll down, pump from the 3 points, it's no good. Step in on the line by blue team. An inbound play by Evangelista. Inbound play by Evangelista. Pass to Ramos. Now Ramos on the dribble. Cannot penetrate. Looking for receiver. Signaling to his teammates. Pass to Armenta. Pumps. No good. It's a foul. 30. Evangelista. Second personal foul, Evangelista. Second team foul. Both teams second team foul. Now Tagala. Pass to De La Vega. De La Vega to... It's no good. Follow up by 2. It's no good. Armenta pick up the ball. Now on the run. Pass to... Ramos on the drive, shot, follow, now on the drive, layup, it's no good, follow up by 2, it's no good, another follow up, no good again, another follow up, 27 for 2, Tagala for 2, itaga mo sa mato, Tagala. Now Ramos, Armenta, pump, shoot! Another rebound by blue team, pass to De La Vega. Now De La Vega, number 30 of the blue team. Pass to Tagala, pumps, no good. Now Ramos on the drive. Pass to Alvarez. Alvarez, no good. Now De La Vega, pass to Roldan. Roldan, pumps from the 3. It's no good. 2. Substitution, 2 out. Sa Roque in. Roldan out. Occidental in. (67-57). 1 minute and 48 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Now Occidental to Armenta, pass, bingo on the 3-point. Kahit napalak pa ka, Lupin. Tatay mo ba yun? Holo, fires, no good. Now Ramos on the 3-point shot by Ramos, bingo again by Ramos. 67-63. Now number 30 on the dribble. To Tagala. Tagala. Basket by Holo. Now Ramos, all the dribble. 69-63, 45 seconds remaining. Occidental, pass to Alvarez, pumps, no good. Now De La Vega on the run. Pass to Tagala again for 2. 25 seconds remaining. 25 seconds. No more shot clock, ha? No more shot clock na yan. Now 14. Pass to Evangelista. Evangelista takes, fires. It's no foul, said the referee. Now Holo to losing the ball. Basket. Basket, said the referee. 73-60. 10 points lead by Alzures over Dakasin on the third quarter.